it's time for this district to step up to the plate and turn out. I do not think that school should be closed down because it serves a large number of Richmond middle schools. And if we say elementary now, those of you who are here, you have to think about where your children are going to go to middle school. That's the next step. And some of them will be going to Adams. And Adams is on the block, so you